Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 scanner not working issue. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Print Spooler service, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK. Open Windows Image Acquisition Service, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Right-click Scanner, click Update Driver. Third method is Update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.